Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your roaming plan is active with the carrier and that any required add-ons or balances are applied. Next, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off to force a fresh network scan. This often resolves registration issues. Then open cellular settings to verify preferred network mode, 4G or 3G, and inspect APN entries. Incorrect APN prevents data sessions. Make sure the SIM is seated correctly. Physical contact matters for international roaming. Once initial checks are complete, try manual network selection. Pick a known partner operator in the list to force registration. If manual selection fails, review roaming options in your plan and toggle data roaming on and off. This restarts PDP context negotiation. Update carrier settings and the device OS to ensure compatibility with partner networks. If you still see no data, reset network settings as a targeted measure. But back up Wi-Fi passwords and VPN configs because reset clears them. To finish, verify data flow with quick tests. Load a web page, run a speed test, or use ping to confirm packets pass. Monitor signal bars and the network operator name for changes. If problems persist, record exact error messages, the network's MCC/MNC shown in settings, and timestamps, then contact carrier support. These details speed resolution. As a last resort, consider a temporary eSIM or local SIM for urgent connectivity. If that works, the issue is...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.